Hi everyone, today I am making Mishti Doi or sweet yogurt, and in this video I will show you how to make it step by step. I made this a flavored yogurt using fresh ingredients that you have on hand at home. It's homemade without any preservatives and kids' favorite. To begin with, add 4 to 6 teaspoons of jaggery powder into the pan. You can replace it with brown sugar too. After adding water, cook it for 4 to 5 minutes until the jaggery dissolves into it. I recommend not to use white cane sugar or powdered sugar because first of all powdered sugar is unhealthy. Also it will not bring that authentic Mishti Doi taste to the yogurt. As you can see, the jaggery is all dissolved into the water. Now I am adding 2 cups of whole milk or full fat milk into the pan. Stir it occasionally when the milk is getting heated and let the milk comes to boil. Stir often when the milk is getting simmered. This continuous simmering will reduce the milk. Also scrape the dried milk solids from the sides and add to the simmering milk. So because we are boiling the milk for 15 to 20 minutes, it will get thickened and reduced to extract the malai or full cream, which we are going to scrape like this and add it into the milk. Now close the heat, put on the lid and let the milk cool down. When the milk becomes warm, we will add the yogurt into it. So friends, here I took 2 bowls because I'm making 2 flavors of the yogurt, and here we will also check the milk. It should be warm, not too much hot. So now I took 2 steel bowls, and for the flavors, here I have cardamom powder. I love the flavor and the fragrance of cardamom powder is amazing. Now I will add it into one of the steel bowls. Another flavor which I am using is mango puree. I just blended some mango chunks into the blender and made this puree. The best way to flavor your yogurt naturally is using fresh fruits. You can use kiwis, strawberries, bananas, any fruit you want. And now in these bowls, I will add this milk. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Whisk, mix very well. The yogurt should dissolve into the milk. Now cover it with the aluminium foil and close the lid. Here also I will repeat the same steps for the mango flavored yogurt. So now the next step is fermenting the yogurt. Here the secret is that we have to allow this mixture to set for some hours in a warm place. I kept the yogurt inside the oven. You can keep it in any warm place in your house. It could be near a heater, inside the microwave. There are many ways to incubate it. Also, I have covered it with a warm towel. I will let it set here for 6 to 7 hours, and after that I am going to transfer it into the refrigerator. After 6 to 7 hours, I have transferred the yogurt into the refrigerator and let it set for another 5 to 6 hours. So friends, after 5 to 6 hours, take it out from the refrigerator, and now let's see the yogurt. Making flavored yogurt is different because of its technique of preparation. The right temperature for the growth of the culture is very important. So let's check our yogurt. This is the cardamom flavored yogurt in the green bowl. Wow, the texture is so amazing. Now let's check the mango flavored yogurt. This one is also so much amazing. The texture is so good. This is the mango one and this is the cardamom yogurt. Both of them are so good, well prepared. Now I'll garnish them as they are ready to eat. So here I garnish the cardamom yogurt with some pistachio chunks. So my cardamom mishti doi and mango mishti doi is ready to eat. Let's try them. Look at it, the texture is so smooth and creamy. It's so delicious. It seems like I'm eating malai kulfi. Wow. The cardamom certainly adds a very heavenly flavor to the yogurt. This is great. I'm going to try one more bite. Oh my god, this is so amazing. So I didn't add too much sugar into it because the cardamom is also sweet in nature. The mixture is perfect. You can add stevia also if you don't like too much sugar. Let's eat the mango yogurt now. Wow, delicious. I'm tasting a hint of mango and it's not too sweet. I would say just follow my recipe and you are going to love these yogurts. It's mind-blowing and super delicious. So you all, to be honest, the smooth cardamom yogurt, which is my favorite, and the other one, the mango yogurt, it is very delicious and fantastic. It has a wonderful creamy smooth texture. Kids would love it. You can serve the mishti doi as a dessert or sweet. So do let me know how it turns out if you make it and subscribe to my channel.